I woke up and looked at my hand. My heart stopped. The ring was gone. My beautiful engagement ring was not on my finger. I jumped out of bed. I looked everywhere. Under the pillows, under the bed, on the floor. Nothing. The ring was nowhere. "Eric," I called my boyfriend. "Eric, come here." He ran into the room. His face was worried.
"What's wrong?"
he asked. I showed him my empty hand. His face went pale. He looked more shocked than I expected. We started looking together. We moved the bed. We looked in the bathroom. We checked the kitchen. We looked in every room of the house. Still nothing. "Our wedding is in 3 days, Eric. 3 days. How can I get married without my ring?"
"Don't worry,"
Eric said.
"I'll buy you a new one. A bigger one. A more expensive one."
"No," I said. I didn't want a new ring. I wanted my ring. The one Eric gave me when he asked me to marry him. That ring meant everything to me. My best friend Monica came over to help us look. She moved all the furniture. She looked in places I didn't think of. The washing machine, the car, the garden. A terrible thought came into my head. Monica had money problems. She lost her job last month. She couldn't pay her rent. The ring was worth a lot of money. I looked at Monica. She was my best friend since we were children. But people do strange things when they need money. That night, Eric and I were alone. I told him what I was thinking. "Eric, I think Monica took the ring," I said quietly.
"What? No way. Monica would never do that."
"She has no money, Eric. She's desperate. The ring is worth $5,000. Eric sat down. He put his head in his hands. He was quiet for a long time. Then he looked up at me.
"Monica didn't take the ring. I did."
I stared at him. "What do you mean? Where is it?"
"My mother has it."
he said quietly. "Your mother? Why does your mother have my ring?" Eric's voice was very quiet now.
"The ring belonged to my family. It goes from mother to son, from son to his wife. My grandmother wore it. My mother wore it. It was supposed to be yours."
Eric couldn't look at me.
"She doesn't like you. She doesn't want us to get married."
Eric said. I felt like someone hit me in the stomach. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. Eric finally looked at me. There were tears in his eyes.
"I told her to keep the ring."
He continued.
"I told her we don't need her ring. I'm gonna buy you a new ring. A ring that's just ours. Not from my family, just from me to you."
I started crying. But not because I was sad. Because I was happy. I hugged him tight. I didn't care about the ring anymore. He chose me. 3 days later, we got married. I wore a simple gold ring that Eric bought with his own money. It wasn't expensive, but it was perfect. It was just ours. Monica is still my best friend. I never accused her of anything again. What matters more, the ring or the love behind it? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. Lesson of the day, desperate. Desperate means you feel very hopeless and want to do anything to fix a problem. Example from the story. She has no money, Eric. She's desperate. More examples. She was desperate to find a job. He called me because he was desperate for help.